Today we will be showing the synthesis of trichloromethane, or chloroform, via the haloform reaction. Warning: the synthesis of chloroform is extremely hazardous. The reaction itself is extremely exothermic and can very easily run away. Be extremely cautious if the synthesis is replicated. We will be showing two different methods of synthesizing chloroform in this video. In the first method, place a round bottom flask or some sort of glass container into an ice bath and add about 400 milliliters of 6.25% sodium hypochlorite solution. Once your sodium hypochlorite solution is placed in your flask, add 10 milliliters of acetone into a separatory funnel. Very carefully, begin to add the acetone to the flask. Be sure it's not a constant stream, but rather a slow drip. The addition of the acetone will generate a lot of heat. After all the acetone has been added and the solution is let to sit, add it back to the separatory funnel and let it again settle. Once the layers have been separated, with the bottom layer being chloroform, remove the chloroform into a clean container. The second method has a significantly higher yield than the first, being we use a much larger quantity of reactants. I got this video idea from the channel UC235, who makes some great videos, and we put the link to his channel in the description. First, take 1.9 liters of bleach and remove about 50 milliliters of it. Then freeze it until roughly it's -5 to 0 degrees Celsius. Once frozen and ready for the reaction, place 45 milliliters of acetone directly into the bottle of bleach and cap it and shake it well. Be sure to leave the cap off in order to relieve pressure that's built up from the reaction. After letting it sit for roughly 3 hours, begin to pour the solution out of the bottle of bleach and into a separate container. The solution now contains primarily alkalized water with a little remaining bleach. Continue to do so until there is roughly only a few hundred milliliters left, and pour it into your container once again, except this time the chloroform will be present. Again, allow the layers to separate out. Place the solution into a separatory funnel again and allow the layers to separate. Once again, remove the bottom layer into a new container. I did this procedure twice and added those two products to my product from the first method. After you collect your desired final product, the chloroform is distilled. However, in order to keep this video short and concise, and leaving only what is essential to the synthesis, the distillation is left out and not shown. Here is the distillate placed in the appropriate container. It is necessary to place chloroform in an amber container, being it is photosensitive. The final step is to add about 2 milliliters of ethanol in order to prevent the production of very hazardous phosphagens. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more upcoming videos.